Hi, I'm Monica from foodservicewarehouse.com. I'm here to talk to you about the Isomatic ICE0606HR ice machine. The Isomatic ICE0606HR is a remote ice machine that can make 727 pounds of ice in one day. This could be the machine for you if you run a restaurant, bar, or other dining facility with about 125 seats. The ICE0606HR is a remote condenser unit. This means that the condenser is external to the ice machine itself and often installed on the roof of a building. Remember that you'll also need an ice bin to collect and store the ice cubes before you can fire up your ice maker. You can find the necessary condenser and a list of matching Isomatic ice bins on our website. With 727 pounds of ice per day, a remote condenser, and several useful features, the ICE0606HR might just be the ice machine for you. For more information, visit us online at www.foodservicewarehouse.com or give us a call at the number provided.